Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. I'm back out here tonight. I'm going to scrape some of this undercoating off. It's time to clean up shop after doing all this sandblasting and stuff, and I figured before I do that I might as well finish making this mess here. So let's get her done.
Get her done!
Blade's hot. Ow! Stabbed the torch right into my hand there. Dummy.
You big dummy! Wobble around, burn my head.
Cool, it's ready for sandblasting now. Well, I mean, I still gotta do all my grinding, but I couldn't sandblast it with all that stuff in there. The sandblaster just wouldn't touch it. So, but you know, I got sandblast everywhere that I welded and make sure everything's welded good and grind it up on the inside, and I couldn't do that before. But I got a sandblast, you know, I got to sandblast this whole fender, so now it's ready for that as well. So it wasn't too bad. I don't even know. It took me 40 minutes. So definitely, like, not as bad as the Monte Carlo one I did, but it was still a lot of work. So, but that's it. That's it for that. So I'm gonna clean up the shop now. I doubt you guys want to watch that. So I don't know, maybe you do, but I'm gonna shut down the cameras for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.
Oop.